Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope you can see me okay. My name is Shelby Agnew. I am from Spring Hill, Tennessee, and I am an early childhood education major at here at BYUI. Currently, I'm living here in Rexburg for my on-track semester, so I'm doing partial credits, online partial credits on campus. The goal is to, after I graduate, become a preschool teacher. I love kids and I love education, so it's a perfect job for me. A couple interesting things about me is this fall I've been accepted into the Disney College program, which is a paid internship where you can live and work at either Walt Disney World or Disneyland in California. And I've been selected to participate in the Walt Disney World program. So I'm going to be living there for 5 months this fall, and I'll be working as a bus greeter. So if you're heading down there, make sure to say hi, ride the buses. I'm also a certified yoga instructor. I got into yoga through dance, and I've been working for a small amount of time. I just got my certification finished and looking for hours. Always great. Yoga is amazing. I would highly recommend it. Um, let's see. This class, I think what I'm really hoping to get from this class and to apply from this class is just a better knowledge of how to work with all kinds of people, no matter what background, what abilities. Especially as a preschool teacher, I'm going to get a lot of students who are either general education or they're in special education, and I'm going to have to find ways to meet a lot of needs, whether it be high-level students or low-level students or students with disabilities. I really want to be able to be a good role model and a support for those students who need that help. Um, just want to make sure I cover everything. Uh, so I really liked taking the learning style test because it was a form of thinking that I'd never thought of before. I scored highest in the abstract sequential, no, abstract random category, which was, it made sense to me. Just because as I was reading the descriptions, it talked about how I go off of emotions and feelings, and I have been that way my whole life. I love feelings, love emotions, even hard ones sometimes. What surprised me about this test, though, was that I scored pretty highly on the concrete sequential. I scored a 44 on the abstract random and a 32 on the concrete sequential, which surprised me because as I was reading the concrete descriptions, I didn't think they sounded like me at all. Um, so it kind of surprised me. I have some logical thinking skills and ways of working from reality that I never thought of before. So that was pretty cool to learn. Anyway, but I am really excited about this class. I'm excited to meet you all. I know they're getting rid of this class soon here on campus, so I'm grateful that I got to take it. And it's probably last or one of the last semesters it's being offered. So yeah, looking forward to a great semester. Good to meet you guys.